Greetings to anyone interested in blockchain. There are a lot of them now, but the vast majority of them are very complicated and hard to figure out. But there is one blockchain where everything is made very easy and simple, and it offers a lot of opportunities to earn money. This is VAX. Deplica is going to guide you through its functionality. VAX is an eco-friendly blockchain with easy onboarding, low transaction fees, user-friendly UX, and lots of games and platforms. It is the world's most used blockchain ecosystem for NFT, dApps, and video games, providing the most secure and convenient way to create, buy, sell, and exchange both virtual and physical items for everyone, anywhere in the world. VAX provides access to thousands of dApps and the world's most exciting NFT marketplaces, such as Atomic Market and Nifty Blocks. It is also home to many of the world's best blockchain games, including Our Planet, Prospectors, Duck Country, and many new games that can earn money. All in all, VAX is the best decentralized gaming and entertainment network designed to speed up and simplify interaction between players and virtual markets. It has created several applications, including wallets. VAX Cloud Wallet is the most used blockchain wallet in the world, with more than 12 million accounts. Registration in VAX Cloud Wallet is paid 5 VAX. How to create a wallet? It's easy. Go to the official VAX website, click on Sign up for account, enter your email and password. Some mails are not suited to create a wallet, so it is better to use the mail from Google. The password must contain one digit, one upper and lowercase letters, and one of the special characters. You can register with social networks or your Google account. Follow the link from your email to confirm your account. After registering for security, I advise you to add two-factor authentication. Account security, two-factor authentication. It has a lot of features, from token transfer to news viewing. In VAX blockchain, transactions don't require fees, but resources are the necessary, productive capacities that are purchased from VAXP. They are required for transaction validation, NFT storage, and other operations in the VAX ecosystem. Resources are divided into CPU, NET, and RAM. CPU responsible for transaction time. If it's lacking, you may experience problems in completing transactions. It is the CPU that is the most often lacking. NET is responsible for providing the volume of transactions per day. Usually, the standard amount of this resource is enough. RAM is responsible for storing data in the VAX blockchain. This includes the NFT, which are stored in the wallet. If RAM is insufficient, there are problems with putting NFTs up for sale. RAM can be bought and sold at vax.blocks.io. The VAX blockchain is great for storing, buying, and selling NFTs. For this reason, the Atomic Hub marketplace was created to make it easy to work with NFTs. You'll need a VAX Cloud Wallet or Anchor to log in. You can also use the Anchor wallet on the platform. There is an open-source digital wallet that focuses on security and privacy for all EOCIO-based networks. Anchor uses state-of-the-art methods to protect your accounts. Anchor was designed with privacy in mind. There is also a mobile version of the wallet. So, if you want to take advantage of a convenient blockchain that guarantees profits, offers secure wallets, different products for profits, then VAX is the most suitable for it.